Obviously. Nice. What an absolutely incredible way to spend a weekend. Absolutely no cell service. We haven't looked at our phones since we left for the Sportage or backcountry camping trip. What? Yeah. They're probably here. We are all packed up and sad to leave. Hey? But it's gotta be done. Amazing, she's in the water. I'm gonna give you a high five. Good job. Can I help you?
No, I got it.
All right, chairs, bags in.
Holy shit, this is so like
Our favorite cooler.